Hi friends, welcome back. Today in this video we will know how to use Chatgpt and how to create an account on Chatgpt. So for using and creating an account, search Chatgpt. Click on very first link. I will provide the link in description. Click on sign up. If you have any account, then you can log in. Enter your email ID. Enter your password that you want to create. Here I got a verification link. I got a verification email. Here enter your details. First name, this is optional, so I don't fill it. Date of birth, continue. Here enter your phone number, verify your number. Select what you want to use, like API. I will choose it. Click on next, done. Here you can ask your question. Here, what is Chatgpt? Here it is providing the answer of your question. You can ask anything. So guys, if this video is helpful for you, then please do like, share and subscribe our YouTube channel. I am creating a playlist on Yes Code extensions. I will provide the playlist link in description. I will make a video on how to use Chatgpt in your Yes Code editor. So if you are interested, then please do comment.